In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reposition elements in Webflow for your project design. Whether you're new to Webflow or just need a refresher on element positioning, I'm here to guide you through it with clear instructions. So let's dive right in. First, let's go ahead and open Webflow. If you're already working on a project, great. If not, you can start a new project or open an existing one where you'd like to reposition some elements. Once the Webflow interface is open, you'll see a variety of tools and panels. Don't worry, we'll focus on the ones that matter for this task. Next, what you want to do is locate the element that you're planning to move. This could be anything from an image, text block, button, or any other component in your design. Once you've spotted it, go ahead and click on that particular element. Clicking on it will highlight it and allow you to see its current positioning and styling attributes on the right-hand side of your screen. Now, on the right side of the interface, you'll see various properties and settings for the selected element. The area we're interested in is under the Style panel, which gives us control over the positioning of our element. Here, look for the section labeled Position. Click on it, and a small drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you want to select Relative. Choosing Relative will give you the flexibility to move the element around based on its current position without affecting the layout of other elements in an unintended way. With Relative selected, you're now free to reposition the element. Go ahead and click and drag the element to where you'd like it to be placed within the layout. This is a bit like moving a picture frame on a wall. You can drag it left, right, right, up, or down until it aligns perfectly with your design vision. Keep in mind that subtle adjustments can sometimes make a significant difference in the overall impression of your design. One of the beauties of Webflow is that it gives you the freedom to experiment. So, feel free to play around with the positioning. Slide it one way, then another, and see how it fits with the rest of your page elements. This is an excellent opportunity to get creative and find the best positioning that enhances your specific design and user experience. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, it's time to make those changes live. You'll want to preview your progress and ensure that nothing else was unintentionally altered. If you're happy with the final look and everything functions as expected, the last step is to click Publish in the top right corner. This will update your website with the newly positioned element, and your design changes will be visible to your audience. That's it. Repositioning elements in Webflow can be straightforward, and with these steps, you'll be able to enhance your design effectively. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, be sure to check out our other videos for more Webflow tips and tricks.